Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken soup with hairy melon. So I have 600 grams of chicken. Today I'll be using chicken wings, and there's 6 pieces of chicken wings here. I have cut it into half for the upper wings and the lower wings. So here is 12 pieces of chicken and 1 whole piece of hairy melon. This weighs about 600 grams. This is parsley roots, and I have 6 pieces of red dates. I cut into half and remove the seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 stalk of parsley, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 nut of ginger I cut into thin slices, 1 carrot I cut it into pieces. This is 100 grams of carrots. The ingredients have been prepared, and I'm going to go ahead and blanch the chicken. I have the water in the pot. I'm going to switch on the heat. I'm going to put in the chicken. When blanching the chicken, right, we want to start boiling the water together with the chicken. And put in half of the ginger. So I left 2 pieces just to put in the chicken soup. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. While waiting for the chicken to cook, so I'm going to cut the hairy melon. So we want to cut the skin first. Then I'm going to cut it into half. This melon, right, the seed is still very young, so I'm not removing the seed. So I'm going to use all the part, okay, and cut it into 3, and again cut it into 3 again, just like this. Soak it in the water. Just leave it here. Now the chicken is boiling. Switch off the heat, and we are removing it from the pot. Blanched chicken is ready. Now we can go and cook it. In the soup pot, I'm going to put in the chicken, put in the carrot, put in the ginger, pepper, salt, red dates, and now we put in the water. Put in the water until the chicken and all the vegetable is submerged in the soup. So I'm going to add some more. Just now it was about 600 ml. Another 600 ml. Put in another 300 ml. Switch on the heat. Parsley roots, put it in and give it a stir for the salt and pepper to dissolve. So I'm going to cover the lid and bring it to boil. Soup is boiling, so I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat and set the time for 30 minutes. Alright, chicken has been boiling for 25 minutes. Okay, about 25 minutes, chicken should be soft. And now I'm going to put in the hairy melon. After adding the hairy melon, I'm going to continue to cook for another 10 minutes. Raise the temperature to medium heat. Set the time for 10 minutes. When the soup is boiling, you can notice that there's some oil here has clumped together. So there's a cluster of oil around the pot. You can use a spoon to scoop it off like that. when we do like this, so our soup will be less oily. So I have removed quite a lot of oil. One more minute to go. Now we're going to taste the soup. Wow, the soup is tasty and it's very sweet. At this stage, if you want to add on seasoning, you can do so. But for this soup, it's perfect. It's very tasty and it's very sweet. So I'm just going to let the time go off. One more minute. Oh, that's it. Time's up. The soup is ready. Now we're going to put in the parsley. We have parsley. And some crispy fried shallots. Just give it a stir. Oh, it looks so yummy. Chicken is soft and then the hairy melon is cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. This kind of soup is best served while it's hot. So let's try. Gonna take a piece of chicken, a piece of melon, and soup. Wow, very delicious. The chicken is very tasty and very tender, and the soup is super sweet. The sweetness is from the chicken and the hairy melon, from the red dates and also carrot, plus a very nice fragrance from the crispy fried shallots and the parsley. This is really delicious. It's very simple to cook and it's very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.